Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. We are here on my YouTube, which is growing. I'm so happy. I am the host, who is Tara Wells. So hello, welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a B&M haul. Love a B&M haul. Woo! Let's talk about the nitty-gritty stuff first, and then we can get on into the video and the products, and that's what you want to see. If you like the video, then please give it a massive thumbs up. That always helps me out. Then I know what videos you like for future, so let me know by the thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button. Join in the little love family. A lot of you have joined, so thank you for the support. The notification button, because that will notify you when I've done a video and it will be the newest one. Definitely do that too. Last thing is, on my main page is an Instagram clicky button for you to check out my Instagram posts, pictures, anything new, follow me, like it, anything you want please, that'd be great. One more thing is that I am not sponsored by B&M. Any of the brands of the items or anything to do with B&M, I am not sponsored by. I have brought it out my own money and advising you all on this great stuff to find good bargains or anything that you want for your house or food or anything like that. I think that's everything though. Let's get on into the B&M haul. Like I always start with, I have got my B&M receipt. It's going to help me tell you what the price is, unless it's not on the item. This will come in handy, but most of the prices are on the items. Let's start with the sweets. We have got two loads of sweets here. So we have got Barrett Blackjacks. These are not my favourite. I like the fruit salad, but someone likes these, so I got him them. They were at the price of 89p. They've got a deal on the fruit salad and the blackjacks at 89p a packet, so that's the first one. Second one is for myself. I love these. So these are the Dairy Milk Cadbury's Giant Buttons. Absolutely excellent. They have got long dates on them. I don't know what the date is on this one. September 21, and this is got August 21, but these will probably be gone way before that, but still really long dates on it. And these were at the price of £1, so they're pretty much £1 a standard packet anyway, but they are the first two items. Another foodie item, I have raved about all these in these B&M ones. These are my daily dose of my breakfast. These are brilliant. So I actually got 3 packs of these. They're £1 each. So these are the Mo Health fibre bars. There's 87 calories in here, high in fibre, 4 packs, which I seriously think there could have been more in there. But these are the birthday cake ones, and they are really, really nice. So I got 3 boxes on there. I always have them with my fruit tea in the morning, and one of these is my breakfast, and it lasts me until lunchtime, which is about 12:30-ish. They're really good, and I really, really rate these. I then picked up some little goodie bags for my cat because he absolutely loves these. So these are the Purina Felix ones, the goodie bag one. Mixed grill with flavoured with beef, chicken and salmon. No added artificial colours, proteins, vitamins and omega-6 it's got in there. These are 60 grams a bag, so I got him 2 of these. He absolutely loves these, dies for these things, he absolutely does. These were at the price of 79p, which I thought was really, really good price actually, really cheap, cheaper than chocolate, so he gets 2. Probably saw in a B&M haul before that I actually picked up 2 of these ages ago. I absolutely love these. I've actually done a review on one of these, and it was the best face mask I've had in a while. It smells amazing. Honestly, I put it on for about 20 minutes, but I could have had it on for about an hour. I think I will do next time because there's a lot in the packet. Are absolutely fab. These are Janice ones. I can never say that. I'm so sorry. I probably slated that about 500 times every time I say it on this channel. These are the 7 Heaven ones, the combo and dry skin, strawberry cream, moisturising and toning for hydrating skin. These were 79p each. which is really fab. Honestly, if you ever see these, please pick these up because I 100% rate these as one of my favourite face masks. Definitely go for it. You've also probably seen this item as well. I actually got some more reed diffusers again. These are not for myself, these are for someone else, but I thought these were so good price for what they were, and they smell like purely like apple and pear, which they pretty much are. They're sweet pear and apple fragrance diffusers with reeds. They're essential home fragrance. I love the bottle. I said I loved the bottle last time. Just really pretty. These are only £1 each. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give these to someone else because I really do rate these. I think they should be keeping these because I think they just smell absolutely great. I love the smell of apple and I love apple sweets, but I do not love apples. How weird is that? Honestly, if you love apple, these are great. Please go and find these because I just think they're 100% worth their money. The next load of items are from their aisle that they have like things as like bargains. Do you know what? We went to the one in Basingstoke and it had the whole aisle filled with these bargain bits. It was crazy, honestly, but they had so good items in there, so we're going to go through them because honestly they were a steal. This squidgy, I bought one of these before because they only had a grey and yellow one, which I'm happy with, but I thought, you know what, it might be handy just to get another one, and at £1, what can you go wrong? Literally, they're at £8. These are the shower squeegees with easy grip handles. So this is all like silicone, this is obviously silicone, and it's just an easy thing. But these are really good if your windows ever get condensation up. I thought, you know what, get one for the shower, get one for your windows, and then you'd be perfectly fine. But yeah, I thought for £1, what could go wrong? And these seem like they will last a good long time. They're sturdy as anything for £1. Then I found, so you're gonna probably think what this is, and it's a bit more, looks a bit more than it is his. This is obviously a duster, normal duster, and this was a special buy, that's what they call them, £1. The perfect novelty duster, non-allergenic polyester duster with electrostatic action. Says that down the bottom. That's what I was trying to read. We were like looking at these because there was one like this with the little cat on it, and then there was one with a unicorn, and I think the unicorn was like a multicolored duster, the normal duster, and then this one is like a purpley colour and it's got grey. I think it's supposed to be like that cat, that's what it's supposed to be like, but I don't get where the novelty is coming from, because the only thing is novelty is the fact that when you take this plastic bit off, this is just a normal duster. But I didn't get it for that. We do need one of these, and I thought for £1 I cannot go wrong. There was only a couple there. I went for one of these because I don't want to pay a lot of money for a duster, but £1 would be enough, and that was absolutely great as well. This item was on the spare of the moment one, so literally I went down the aisle looking at special buys and did come across this, and I thought this was quite nice actually. I thought this was really soft, really nice. The back was lined really well, really sticky, like it would hold down. This is the diamond pattern super soft bath mat, 40 x 60 centimeters, approximate, non-slip, super absorbent, and this was at the special buy of £3. And you know what, I thought for £3 this would just be good as just a backup for a bath mat, because we've got one that I already got, I think I got from Primark ages ago, and it's green, but I got another one, just a little cheapy one as a backup, because at the end of the day you do need to sort of change these and wash these. I thought even if this just goes within a couple months or lasts for about 5 months, at the end of the day it's only £3, and I think this is going to last really good. It feels so soft, so your feet can go on that nice soft fabric, and I think this is going to stick really well on the back, so I was really happy with this. The last item from this B&M haul is this peg area. So this was really good as well actually. We wanted one of these and I saw one on the Cherries website. They had all sold out. I think they were about £1.50. I'm gonna end up getting two. Then I saw this and I thought, you know what, let's just go for this because this is basically the same price. So this is the laundry room. It includes 32 pegs, a 2-tier peg area, and it's perfect for drying laundry. Socks are delicate and collapsible for easy storage. This is a special buy of £3. So I was really happy to find this because it is in the white and the grey, which is definitely up my colour like palette. Literally, I think this will work really, really well. And for £3, it's got the 2-tier system. So we'll actually have more. So we were ended up going to buy two. So we've pretty much done the same thing with the same price. But I would have probably had to pay post and packaging on that. I would only got if I wanted something else off the website. But now I found this because the other ones got sold out. I was super happy. That's really going to help me. Yeah, really like that. That was everything from the B&M haul. I hope that you liked the video. There was some really good little special buys in there. If you ever see that aisle, please go down there because I get super excited when I see loads of them. They used to have like a proper aisle for ages, but normally they only then done 2 or 3 like shelves, and I was like, this is not special buys. Where's the special buys? That one was really good. That literally was special buys all the way down from the top to the end on both sides at one point and then on one side. So I was pretty happy. Got a few good items from there because you kind of see the special buys and you're like, ooh, I don't really need that. But then I kind of did, or I did need it, and it's definitely cheaper. Really, really good. So definitely look out for your special buy. If you like the video or the advice I've given you or any of the products I've shown you, then give it a massive thumb up. It helps me out, it helps me know what videos you like, and we can go into the future of knowing I'm giving you the right advice, or I'm giving you the right products, or you're seeing what you need to see. If you are new and you're watching this and this is your new video, then hello, welcome. Please come and join the little love family. You're more than welcome to join. So you can hit the subscribe button and that will subscribe you to tazwells12. Hit the notification bell, that will notify you when I upload a new video like this to YouTube, and click on the little clickable link on my main page for Instagram and have a look at that and follow whatever you would like to do, please. I am not sponsored in this video. This is out of all my own money, so do not think I'm sponsored. I hope to bring a lot more videos to you of this sort of kind. I hope that you keep safe, keep well, keep smiling, living your best life. I will see you all soon. Bye. And thank you for watching. Bye.